Hello everyone, welcome to Apna Channel and very important video regarding your Ntro re-exam preparation strategy. So one more opportunity you guys getting, okay, for Ntro. This is good thing. Now very one important thing, those who attempted support a good attempt last time, I can say more than 70, and those who did less attempt, I can say less than 60. So you both guys are on same level again now. Okay, it is not like last time you perform well, this time also it will same, because pattern will change now. It will not remain same. Okay, so don't be overconfident for those who attempted more than 70 question last time, and don't need to demotivate because of less attempt last time. Okay, those who did less attempt last time, correct? So in this video, first we will I will tell you about our mock test schedule, okay, and then one by one I will discuss the strategy. For first I will discuss for electronics communication, then I will discuss for computer science, okay, also non-technical for both, right? In the timestamp you can directly click on your respective branch and you can watch your strategy. Okay, so our first mock is already live now. You can see in your folder, okay, of Ntro. So it is already live. Then mock test 2 will release on 18th April 3 pm and mock test 3 will be on 21st of April 3 pm. Okay, obviously you can give that all three mock till your exam day, no need to worry, right? Along with that, our block wise strategy is going on, block 2 is going on. Now those who are new, those who are watching this video for first time, you may think that what is block wise strategy. So for that you can watch my master essay pack video. Okay, now regarding your exam date, so today is 15th April, you know, right? So we can expect your exam somewhere around to 30 April. Okay, almost it is final, but a possibility is also there that 27 to 29 they will conduct. Okay, but we will consider for now 27, and according to 27 only we are going as per our blockwise strategy, and we will do our revision, right? Definitely for final update I will give you once they will release exam date along with your admit card. Okay, I will update you. Okay, now how to join your master essay pack? So already I made the video. In the comment section you will get the link. Join as soon as possible if you are seriously preparing for Ntro. Okay, definitely we will cover both the things, that is CBT and interview, which is most important for your selection. So first we will start discussion about electronics communication paper. Okay, those who are from computer science, you can just click on the timestamp below, or if you are watching this video in application, then just forward and watch your part, right? Okay, now in the start, when we started our preparation for Ntro, okay, I told you the some subjects which are very much important, or I can say high weightage subject. From that you can expect good number of questions, right? Among them one is communication. Okay, then your satcom is there, satellite communication. Okay, then computer network, then mobile communication, digital electronics, and EMT. Okay, that is electromagnetic theory. So these are our 5 to 6 subject that I told you, which is most important, and you can expect a good number of questions, right, from this. Okay, now basically whatever exam they conducted previously, definitely that is no use now. Okay, now those who will think that the same pattern will repeat, no. Okay, it is paper of annihilate, lots of variation will be there, but something which will remain common always. Okay, and that we will do from our blockwise strategy, what already we are doing from blockwise strategy. Okay, so first understand that what we are doing, and what you need to do for the next 10 to 12 days, right? That is the question. So see, now among this you can see this is the weightage they ask in your previous exam. Okay, again no need to, it is not like they will repeat again same thing. Okay, so don't think like that, but what we can cover from this, okay, what we will conclude from this, and that is important, right? See, so communication is there, they ask total 11 questions. Okay, then second subject is signals and system, they asked total 9 questions. EMT 8 questions, computer network 8 questions, mobile communication 6 questions, satellite communication 6, network theory, okay, 5 questions, data electronics 4, computer organization architecture 4 questions, measurement, electronic measurement, that are question 3, then OFC 3 questions, optical fiber communication. Okay, then AE, that is analog electronics 3 questions, EM engineering mathematics 2 questions only they ask. Then power electronics, okay, now just I will mark here, EDC 2 question, computer science, not CS is control system, sorry, 1, artificial intelligence 1, machine learning 1, and microprocessor 1 question. Okay, now here obviously they mention the syllabus, okay, but still they provided a question from power electronics, AI and ML. Now obviously AI and ML both are for computer science. Okay, they mention. Obviously for electronics they didn't mention, but still you are getting the question in the paper. Okay, that is the problem. So what we can do in that, we can't do anything. So you can see that out of 80, the 4 questions are out of syllabus, I can say, or you can just skip this 4 questions. So whole paper for technical part will be now of 76 question only. Okay, so out of 76 you need to score good mark. Now definitely those who are from electrical, you can attempt power electronics question, you already studied that, right? And AI ML, I guess this question no one can attempt, okay, because you don't study this in your EC or electrical curriculum. That's why it's fine, you can skip that, no need to attempt whole paper obviously, right, to get selection. That is thing. Okay, now basically see, the paper is of 76, I am assuming. Now out of which, if you observe carefully, that communication is our first subject. Okay, I mentioned earlier. The basic idea is communication, SATCOM, okay, then computer network, and your mobile communication and DL. So basically for NTRO, these are very much important subject. Okay, and EMT I selected based on the current trend in IELTS exam, right? So that's why I quoted this 6 subject to you guys based on the thoughts whatever I shared with you, correct? Okay, so now the question is, will this subject remain same for our re-exam also? Okay, so yes, what we will do now, basically communication, SATCOM, computer network, mobile communication, data electronics and EMT. Okay, this 6 subject will remain same. We will add one subject, okay, here, and that is surprisingly your signals and systems, because you can see signal from system, they ask total 9 questions. Okay, so obviously it is not like that last time they told us 9 questions from signal, okay, again they will do the same. No, it is not like that, but you can expect some question, good question, that is 4 to 5 from signal system also. Okay, so say basic, now it is not like they will ask again 11 question from communication, 9 question from signals. No, they will ask different now. Okay, maybe they ask only 4 question from communication. Okay, they ask only 2 question from communication. They can ask from EMT almost 11 question, 15 question also. Okay, like that, because variation is there. No need to put so much energy in thinking that what will come. Okay, this is not in your hand. In what is your hand? Just to revise and make your subject super strong. Okay, through revision and through practice. That is our blockwise strategy and mock test. Okay, that is the thing only for the next 12 days you need to do, and rest of the things just leave on me. No need to waste your energy by thinking and by just doing research. Okay, obviously that will not help you to get selection, because our target is to confirm our 90% selection in your exam only. Okay, then the remaining thing we will handle in your interview, correct? So this is our target from start. So now basically, as you have idea about our high weightage subject, okay, and I told you that it may be varied according to this paper. Okay, but important thing is that the total, okay, that is this total will remain this only. Okay, that is the whatever total we are getting. Okay, almost closer we will get the total. So focus on total now. Okay, not individual subject, definitely on total we will focus. Okay, so what is now, it is like that okay, only I will do this subject, I will again skip all the subject. No, it is not like that. Definitely our first priority is to make sure that the concepts which are included in this subject you should have good understanding. Okay, along with the revision you should have the formula, everything in your head, okay, about this. But after doing this, definitely we need to focus on other subject also, because this is the, again I am repeating, exam of NILET, anything can happen. Okay, anything. So we need to prepare for both the angles. Okay, this is scenario 1 and scenario 2 also we should handle, right? So basically now see here, communications SS, EMT, CN, MC, SATCOM, okay, network theory, digital already you will do, COA you will do, measurement if you already did then just revise, otherwise you can skip also, no problem in that. Okay, optical fiber communication need to do, just you can cover up from our blockwise and mock test. Okay, then analog electronics you will do, EME, that is engineering mathematics. Now from mathematics, if you didn't study it yet, okay, then just see matrices, then differential equations, that is the thing, or numerical method also you can see. Okay, then power electronics, obviously this is not in your syllabus, so no need to worry about power electronics. If they again give, you can go for it. Okay, now see, because of this 2 question, if you take power electronics book and you will read all the concept, then you are not going in the right direction. Okay, so don't think about individual subject which have very much low weightage, because obviously 2 questions they ask. Okay, which they didn't mention in syllabus. Now here suppose from AI artificial intelligence, they ask one question for electronics, and you will start studying about AI, then that is the foolishness only. You are just wasting your time. Okay, instead of this, you should give the same time, the same energy to make your concept super strong of communication, then satcom, mobile communication, okay, EMT, that you can do. But don't waste your effort in this, okay, because I already told that out of 76, no need to attempt full paper. Our safe target will be 60 to 65, and this is enough, which will make sure you are 90% selection. Okay, out of 76, 60 to 65 attempt is our target. So work accordingly, work as per this, right? Okay, so I hope you understand now that what we are doing, and the same thing that you don't need to put any much energy, because already we are doing through our blockwise strategy. Okay, so if you carefully observe, then you can see in block 1, which already concluded on 11th April, network theory I given, then communication, data electronics and engineering mathematics we take. Okay, so out of this you can see these two subject I mentioned in our top 6 subject. Okay, that is high weightage subject, and these two obviously are low weightage. So basically we are balancing both the things so that you will be comfortable. If they ask from high weightage also, you should comfortable, and from low weightage also you should comfortable. Okay, so whatever I am giving in blockwise strategy, just follow that NTRO specific question. No need to do anything now for the next 10 to 12 days. Okay, our blockwise and mock test will be enough, super strong. You can definitely achieve the result. Okay, in block 2 also, if you observe EDC, then measurement, okay, engineering mathematics, advanced communication, that is mobile communication, satcom, optical, and electromagnetic theory. Okay, again you can see two subjects we are taking from high weightage and other subject we are taking from low weightage. Okay, like that we are doing. And the practice already I hope you are doing as per this, because on 16th April we will move towards block 3, right? So in summary, that whatever high weightage subject I mentioned, okay, just make sure read again concepts, all concepts, what your quick revision ebook with yourself. Okay, what you got in your master's pack, just go through that also, because some theoretical point, okay, which are static, that you will get from quick revision ebook, plus your blockwise strategy, what you are going on, that questions, plus our final mock test question, because our mock test acts as a question bank. Okay, and these are the important thing only you to do now. No need to worry about that. Okay, now you can watch the non-technical part, which is common. I discuss that after computer science branch. Okay, so I hope everything is clear. Now just go and study, focus on revision, and start with your smart study. Okay, don't need to put extra effort in the extra subject, which will definitely give you 1 to 2 marks. Instead of that, whatever you know now, that what will come, focus on that and try to score more in that. All the best. Okay, so now we are discussing the strategy for your computer science branch. Okay, now see, the high weightage subjects, earlier whatever I mentioned was your computer network. By default it will be there. Okay, again computer network include your network security and cryptography part also, right? Then second, it will be your DBMS. Okay, then C, DS and algo I mentioned. Then your COA and OS. Okay, along with that probability I mentioned, right? Now these are our earlier high weightage subjects. So now the question is that whether it will change or not. So let's find the answer for this. See, now this time whatever paper they did on 3rd March or 5th March, whatever. Okay, you can see the weightage of subjects they ask. Again, this is the paper of NILED. So if you are thinking that same will repeat, again it will not happen. Okay, so just from that we will get little bit idea, and again the no use of that. Okay, also it is not like the same pattern you can expect. Definitely they may ask the same pattern, but it will also possible that they can fully change the pattern. Okay, this is the style of NILED. So it is not like you should stick to one part only. You should prepare for both the scenarios. Okay, worst case also and definitely favor case also. So you can see here from computer network they asked total 11 questions. Okay, from DBMS 8 questions. Surprisingly, cryptography 7 questions, which are obviously expected. Computer network, cryptography, network security. Then computer organization and architecture 7 questions. Okay, probability I mentioned it 6 questions. Okay, set theory 6 questions. Operating system 6 questions. Compiler 5. Then engineering mathematics 5 questions. Okay, other question from engineering mathematics. C programming 5. DLD 4. Okay, then algorithm 3. AI 2. TOC 1. Data mining 1 question. Java 1 and data structures 1. Okay, so like this they asked the question in the earlier paper. Now the thing is that you can see here in our high weightage list that computer network is there, DBMS is there. Okay, from C, DS and algo combinedly they ask only 5. Okay, then 3, 8 and 1. So only 9 questions combinedly they ask, right? So definitely it is not like they ask the question, they ask less question. So we will exclude that because this part is very much important, okay, as per your NTR also and interview also. That's why CDS and algorithm will be always in our high weighted subject, okay, for NTRO. So it will remain same. Then CO you can see, you can here, okay, operating system 6 you can see here. Probability you can see here that 6 questions they ask from probability, okay, 6 questions, which is a very good weightage. And if I combine probability set theory 12 and engineering mathematics 5, so total 17 questions they ask from engineering mathematics only. Engineering mathematics alone they ask 17 questions, okay. But here the catch is that the probability is separate, set theory is separate, so you can go with that, right? So here what we will do now, basically already we are doing everything from our blockwise strategy. No need to waste extra energy by thinking and researching of everything, okay. Just focus on whatever we are doing in blocks, just focus on that, right? Here basically now we will include one more subject, that is your this set theory, because I guess from this time also, okay, good question they can ask from set theory, and you should attempt that, okay. So set theory we will add, and other thing will remain same. I don't think any need to add any other subject. What is the meaning of that? You should have good grip on this subject, okay. Whatever concepts are there, at least try to consume all the concepts. Obviously it's not possible to consume all concept of each chapter, but at least you can go for it, right? And after doing this our high weighted subjects, you can go for low weightage like all remaining operating system, compiler, okay, then yours DLD, AI, TOC, etc. After you will do, but first you can focus on this subject, okay, do proper revision of this. And now for syllabus completion time is over, so whatever is left, okay, just keep it as it is and focus on our block wise questions plus mock test question, okay. Whatever concepts are there, just do that from the subject which you already left, okay. It is the right thing to do now, okay. So already we completed block 1, where you can see database and COA I kept, okay, which are our high weighted subject, correct. And algorithm and engineering mathematics I also kept. Now you will say engineering mathematics is also high weightage, okay, you can take for that, but definitely I consider probability as a separate part, and set theory also, okay, from engineering mathematics. So see, basically now here we are balancing both the things, because if they ask the questions from high weightage subject, then you should able to answer that. Same if they ask question from low weightage, whatever we are considering low weightage, then also you should able to handle it, okay, because you can see the NILET paper is there, lots of variation is there, it is not, anything is not fixed, so we should prepare for both the cases, correct. So we are balancing high weightage and your low weightage subject, accordingly you need to do, okay. Just whatever I am giving here in block wise, just practice those questions, gain the concept, learn the concept, upgrade your notes, okay, just use write in your notes like that, same follow and do the things, okay. Then block 2 also already started, 16 April we will conclude it, and on 17 we will start block 3, right? TOC, compiler, operating system, probability. So here you can see the probability I have separate kept you for practice. Then AI also I get, you can do that, okay, if you want. Then I have also included your TOC and operating system, compiler, right? Operating system is there, okay. So like this we are balancing the things and we are moving, okay. Just no need to think any extra thing, focus on whatever is there in your block wise and mock test, and focus on revision part, okay. Now no need to do any extra new thing, whatever you already did, just go with that, right? So I hope it is clear that now for the next 10 to 12 days what you should do, right? If you have anything in your mind, definitely do connect me on our chat or our WhatsApp, whatever, already you have my number, right? And the last thing for non-technical part, basically whatever your Q box is there, okay, that will be enough. Suppose this with the same pattern, if they ask non-technical, then you can hit with Q box, okay. If they ask with their own pattern, that NILET pattern, then our mock test, in our mock test I will include the questions, just go through that, right? So we can cover both the things, that is easy also, because this time very easy they ask these 20 questions, okay. So I guess everyone, mostly 90% candidate will get maximum marks out of this 20 with the current pattern they ask, right? So if they change the pattern, I am expecting to change, then it will be definitely a good level, and it is definitely good to see that how much you score in actual NILET aptitude and reasoning pattern, right? Let's see what happens, but still we are preparing. Q boxes there. Now instead of 3 daily, you will give 6 quizzes, okay, for each aptitude and reasoning. So daily you will increase from 3 to 6 quizzes, okay. Just do with this, and whatever question I will upload in your mock test, go with that, right? So this is the part for non-technical, which is easy, let's hope for the same. So I hope everything is clear, and now start your preparation according to our blockwise strategy only. Just focus on revision, and whatever time you can give for your preparation, just give that. Especially those who are giving Ntro as their last attempt, for you guys it is most crucial. So just try to put your extra efforts. All the best.